So we have our first look at the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, Ultra, Slim, whatever you want to call it. This is our first actual look of the actual phone. And yeah, so little side note, just if you guys are new, you don't know all the details. This phone is going to be 5% thinner than the Z Fold 6. It has a 200 megapixel camera. It is expected to have a bigger battery than the Z Fold 6. It is expected to not have a digitizer layer, so you would think no S Pen support. Well, then it came out that it does have S Pen support, and not only does it have S Pen support, it's actually a new reinvention of the S Pen to give support to this device, which is kind of crazy, insane to be honest. But yeah, 5% thinner, and that's pretty much that. Like, the outside display, very similar looking to the Z Fold device, Z Fold 6. Same thing with the back of it. Kind of weird how they have more of a square type design for the camera lenses. I guess that's just, again, something they wanted to do for this special edition. This special edition, only 1,000 of them are going to be released. So if you want to pick it up, you're probably not going to be able to. This will only be released in South Korea and China. And with only 1,000 being released with a $2,000+ price tag, it's almost impossible to get it. But, you know, it's cool to look at. It's cool to see and, you know, kind of theorize about, like, ooh, this is, you know, this is it. This is the phone. But, I mean, yeah. Like, overall wise, I didn't know what to expect. It is thin. You can tell how thin it is. See, you know why I feel like I'm having this reaction? Because of how good the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is. If the 9 Pro Fold wasn't as good as it is, and trust me, it is that good, okay? The 9 Pro Fold has given me Surface Duo 1 vibes when it comes to how excited I am to use this phone and play with this phone. If it wasn't for that simple fact, I feel like seeing this Z Fold 6 Slim Edition, I would be more excited / cool, like, oh, this is awesome, blah, blah, blah. You know, because that phone has completely set the mark for me. The Z Fold, I keep saying Z Fold, the Pixel Fold 2, as you would call it, but Pixel 9 Pro Fold, that has set the mark for me as that is what I want in a cell phone. Like, that is a perfect cell phone is a 9 Pro Fold. Now with Samsung and how much very similar all the devices is when it comes to Z Fold lineup, and even this right here, which is supposed to be the crazy, you know, Kraken of the actual phones, it's so similar to the Z Fold series. I mean, sorry, to the Z Fold 6. Even though, yes, it is technically different, that I'm like, bruh, give me something new. Like, give me a huge outside display, okay? Give me a 10-inch inside display. There's only 1,000 of these made and you're going all out for it. Go all out. Don't hold anything back. I don't know. The Pixel Fold has absolutely destroyed my viewpoint on, I guess, any Z Fold device. Because I'm just like, I've seen perfection. And I want perfection now. I don't know. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.